Here is question number 5, and that is to simplify expression with exponents. You have to apply the laws of exponents to simplify these expressions. Question is, simplify the expressions, express your answer with positive exponents, show steps. We've given you 2 of them here. So whatever you get at the end, remember, you need to write them with positive exponents. So copy the questions, write down your answer, and then check with my solution. When you have expressions with exponents, I'll prefer first you do inside, and then you can apply times 2 to all the exponents, right? You can use the power rule. Now let's go from the first term itself. So we have this function could be written as equal to, let's do inside function first, a to the power of 5, and everything is minus 3, so they will get multiplied, right? So it will be a to the power of 5 times 3 is 15, so we get minus 15. B to the power of minus and minus becomes plus, so we have 6. So that is the first term, and the second one will be, let's write them with negative of whatever values they have. So a to the power of minus 6, b to the power of minus 7, and denominator is a to the power of plus 28 and b to the power of plus 32. And everything is squared. So that's what you get. And now what we can do is we can combine all the a's and b's and then we square it, right? So we get a to the power of, we have minus 15. So let's add all the powers when we are multiplying. And this is minus 6, and then 28 is in the denominator, we'll do minus of 28. So that is what we get as the exponent of a. For b, it is plus 6, minus 7, and minus 32, right? So, and everything here is squared. So that is at this stage. And now you can combine these and then multiply by 2 to get your answer, right? So let's do minus of 15, and then we do minus of 6 and minus of 28. What do we get? We get minus 49, and minus 49 is like a negative number, right? So anyway, for the time being, we'll write a to the power of minus 49, and here we have b to the power of 6, minus 7, and minus 32. That gives us minus 33, and everything is to the power of 2. So we'll just square them off, right? Squaring means multiplying these by 2, right? So if we do that, what do we get? Now remember, this is negative. We want to write them with positive exponents. So positive will be, you should write them in denominator, right? So in the numerator we get 1, both are with negative, right? 49 times 2 is what? So 50 times 2 is 100, 49 times 2 is 98. So we can write a to the power of 98 times b to the power of 66. So that is how we can simplify the first one. So apply the similar technique and simplify part B also, right? So what we can do, let's do it once again. Now follow the procedure. First one we'll do inside, so we have everything within inside this bracket. 3 times, so 4 to the power of 3, x to the power of 6 times 3 is 18. So that is the first part, and then we have here times 4 and y to the power of minus 8, right? Divided by 2 to the power of 4, x to the power of 4, 12 squared, and y to the power of 6, right? And everything will do half, that is square root, right? So now you can calculate first the numbers, which is 4 cubed times 4 is 4 to the power of 4, right? So we can do 4 to the power of 4, so which is 4 to the power of 4. And then we can divide by 2 to the power of 4. So we'll say divide by, within brackets, 2 to the power of 4. And then we can divide this by 12 to the power of 2, right? So that is how we can simplify it, right? So we get 1 over 9. So from all this we get 1 over 9. So we'll just write 1 over 9 for the numbers for the time being. As far as x is concerned, x to the power of 18 minus 4, 18 minus 4 is 14, and as far as y is concerned, minus 8 minus 6, which is minus 14, right? And everything to the power of half. Now square root of 9 is 3, so we can write 1 over 3. X to the power of 14 divided by 2 is x to the power of 7. Y to the power of minus 14 divided by 2 is y to the power of minus 7. So we can write that in denominator as y to the power of 7. So that is how we can simplify the given expression. I hope the process is clear. Thank you.